Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes of English series. The title for this video is Regular and Irregular Verbs with DouglasESL. English verbs can be regular, irregular, or both. Regular verbs form their past participle by adding ed. For example, ask, asked, call, called, dress, dressed, fix, fixed, grip, gripped, list, listed. Irregular verbs form their past participle in several ways. Type 1, all three forms are the same: base form, past simple form, past participle form. Put, put, put. Bet, bet, bet. Cost, cost, cost. So in type 1, they're all the same. Type 2, two of the forms are the same, while the third form is different. Beat, beat, beaten. Bind, bound, bound. Deal, deal, dealt. So type 2, two are the same and one form is different. Type 3, all three forms are different. Begin, began, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Drink, drank, drunk. So in the third type of irregular verbs, each verb has a different form. So there's 3 different forms in this type. Some verbs can be both regular and irregular. For example, dream, dreamt, dreamt. That's irregular. 2 are the same and 1 is different. Also, it can be regular. Dream, dreamed, dreamed. So you have an irregular and a regular form. Also, smell, smelt, smelt, irregular form. Smell, smelled, smelled, regular form with the ed. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the near future. Thank you for watching ESL.